So in order to do this simple thumbnail for your YouTube videos, you just want it to look classy and simple and captivating. Let's go to CapCut. We are going to use CapCut for this. When we go to CapCut, we are not using the photo editor, even though it's photo that we are editing. We are going to go to new project to start creating our thumbnail. So we'll click on new project. When we click on new project, we are going to go to photos. So that we are going to bring a photo of already downloaded image from Google. So this is a photo I downloaded. It's just a yellow background, sparkling yellow background. You can use any background, but in this case, I'm using this sparkling yellow background. So I add. It has been added. So the first thing we are going to do is to look under these two bars and look for aspect ratio. Aspect ratio. This is aspect ratio, as you can see. So we'll tap on it and we click on the recommended YouTube video thumbnail size, which is 16.9. Look at it here. Then we'll tap on it. It turns to 16.9. What are you going to do? This particular video this particular is not a video actually. This particular picture that you downloaded from Google that you uploaded, you are going to resize. Use your hand and pinch on the screen to enter the entire screen. Having done this now, what are we now going to do? We click on this place and we are done. So we come to overlay. We click on overlay. This is overlay. We click on overlay to bring the photo that we want to use. Add overlay. I'm going to bring in a picture, my picture that I'm going to be using for this particular editing. My picture here. I add. So after adding my picture, first I'll be removing the background of the picture. Look for remove BG and you remove the background. Auto remover. And the background will be removed within seconds. So you justify. Tap on this particular picture and drag it to the very end to align with your main picture. So what are you now going to do? We use your two hands and pinch on the screen and zoom it out and position to where we want. You zoom and position. In this case, I'm going to position it this left side. After positioning, we tap on overlay again to bring in the overlay that we need. This time I'm going to bring in an overlay of CapCut logo that I uploaded from Google also. And I position it one side. Long press on it and align it with others. I'm still going to click on add overlay. Now I'm going to bring a video of a picture of another one. This time I'm going to be using a YouTube logo. I'll search for a YouTube logo I've already downloaded. That's a particular one I'm looking for. This is the YouTube logo I'm looking for. So I tap on the YouTube logo and I'm going to add, and I pinch in to zoom in, to pinch it in, and I also position it where I want. So after that, I can position them. Let me take them a little bit up to create room for the caption. You long press on it and you also add. So after that, we are going to be going to test. So this is test. You click on test. You add test. So I'm going to just have to type in thumbnail in capital letter. That's what I want to use. Thumbnail. So this is thumbnail. I position it just right here. What I'm going to do is to click on styles. When I click on style, I click on background. Look at background here. I'm going to be choosing a black background. When I choose a black background, the text is now white. Black background. So I put the thumbnail here. And I also click on it and I align it to the beginning. So I'm going to be adding another text, this time around the one of tutorial, just like it appeared on my own thumbnail. Tutorial. This is tutorial and I bring it down. This one, I want to change the background to white. So what am I going to do? I'll click on styles, click on background, and I tap the background and I change it to white, and I change the text to black. The background should be white. So this is it. So you also align it under here. So we're good to go. So this is just the thumbnail that we've created. You justify and align it the way you want, just like you've seen. So this is just the thumbnail that I've created. You can export, or rather you can easily screenshot here now. When you screenshot, you tap on the screenshot and you crop. After cropping voila, you have something like this. So this is the thumbnail we are going to be using. You have something like this, as simple as that. You click on done, you save to photos, and your thumbnail is ready to be used. After that, you have something like this. Please do subscribe and like and comment.